Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make kite stickers. So let's get started. So first take an A4 size sheet and then we are going to doodle some kites on it with pencil. Here I am coloring with sketch pens. If you want you can even color it with acrylic paints. Make sure if you are using acrylic paints then use a thicker paper. After that outline it with a thin marker. And then take a transparent tape and stick it all over on the paper and then cut it. Then take a DST tape and stick it at the back side of the stickers to make it sticky. And then for the small trails, cut the DST into very small sizes and stick it. So here we go, our stickers are ready. You can stick it on any surface like your notebook or any wall. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Meet you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.